Hozir men sizlarga sanoqchilarning birini sanab beraman. Qani unda ketding.
Nimaga? Ko'taring o'zingizni, qizingizni ko'taring xullas. Qo'y.
I brought you daffodils in a pretty string, but they won't flower like they did last spring. And I want our kiss to make you feel alright.
Bukan qarang. Eshityapsizmi? Mang, Bormaymi bu? Bormaylar endi.
Eshityapsizmi?
Ha, eshityapman.